Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between Trello and Notion, which is better. Alright, let's begin. Trello and Notion are two of the most versatile productivity apps available in 2025, both offering unique approaches to task management, collaboration, and project planning. Choosing the right one comes down to how you work best, whether you prefer a visual drag and drop workflow or a flexible all-in-one workspace that adapts to your needs. While they share some overlapping features, they cater to different types of users and productivity styles. Trello is best known for its intuitive Kanban style boards. It's simple, visual, and ideal for users who like organizing tasks by dragging cards across columns. Each card can hold checklists, attachments, due dates, comments, and labels, making it great for managing everything from personal to-do lists to team projects. Trello's strength lies in its simplicity. Anyone can pick it up and start using it effectively within minutes. Over the years, Trello has also added advanced automation through its Butler feature, allowing users to automate routine tasks like moving cards or sending reminders, which adds an extra layer of efficiency. Notion, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of customization. It combines note-taking, databases, calendars, Kanban boards, and more all in a single interface. Unlike Trello, which is built around boards, Notion allows you to create pages with a mix of text, media, tables, databases, and tasks. This makes it a better choice for users who want a comprehensive digital workspace that goes beyond just managing tasks. In Notion, you can plan your week, write a journal, create a reading list, or build an entire company wiki all in one place. When it comes to collaboration, both apps are effective. Trello is more focused on tasks and team workflows, while Notion allows for deeper knowledge management and documentation. Notion is especially popular with students, startups, and content creators due to its flexibility and ability to support multiple content formats. Trello, however, remains a favorite for project teams that need quick visibility and straightforward task tracking. So, in order to decide which is best for you, you have to follow these steps. Evaluate whether you need a simple visual planner or a fully customizable workspace. If your main goal is task management with easy team collaboration, Trello is the better fit. But if you want a do-it-all tool for notes, databases, projects, and planning, Notion offers more flexibility and long-term value. Both are powerful just in very different ways. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.